This is a list of the most reliable car brands you can buy today. Now, I know what you're thinking. Matthew, reliability is boring. And you're not wrong. Horsepower 0 to 60 times wild styling. But you know what's really exciting? Not having your car break down on the way to an important meeting. Not having to spend thousands of dollars on unexpected repairs. And that is why today, we're going to dive deep into the brands that consistently prove they can go the distance. These are the cars that will start every single morning, that won't leave you stranded, and that will hold their value because everyone knows just how dependable they are. So, how did I compile this list? I've spent countless hours digging through data from J.D. Power consumer reports and combining that with real-world owner feedback and my own experiences. We're going to look at not just the mainstream players you'd expect, but also a few surprising entries that have earned their spot. I'm going to show you why these brands are so reliable, what makes their cars tick, and which specific models are the all-stars of dependability. It's time to separate the truly reliable from the merely popular. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to buying a car that you can truly count on, day in and day out. We're going to explore the quirks and features of reliability, looking at everything from engine design to warranty coverage. So, whether you're in the market for a new family hauler, a daily commuter, or even a surprisingly dependable sports car, stick around. We're about to get started, and you won't want to miss the brand that takes the #1 spot. Alright, let's kick things off with a brand that is, frankly, no surprise to anyone who has ever looked at a reliability study. And that brand is, of course, Toyota. Undisputed champion, the benchmark, the gold standard. It's almost boring how consistently good they are. Year after year, J.D. Power puts them at the top, and Consumer Reports shows the same thing. It's a running joke in the industry, but it's built on millions of happy, trouble-free owners. The secret isn't magic, it's a corporate philosophy. Conservative, incremental engineering. They don't rush to implement unproven tech. Instead, they refine and perfect existing platforms and powertrains over many years. Take their engines and transmissions. Many components in a new Camry trace their lineage back over a decade. That slow and steady approach means parts are tested and proven, practically bulletproof. This philosophy extends to every part of the vehicle. Camry, Corolla, RAV4. People know buying one of these is a safe bet. Long-term repair costs are famously low, partly because they rarely break, and partly because parts are cheap, and every mechanic knows how to fix them. It might not be the most exciting brand, but if you want to get from point A to point B without drama, Toyota is where you start. Now, what if you want that legendary Toyota reliability, but you also want a bit more, well, luxury? You want heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and a cabin that feels more like a serene lounge than a functional appliance. For that, you turn to Toyota's luxury division, Lexus. And here's the amazing part. In many studies, Lexus actually scores even higher for dependability than Toyota itself. It's a truly remarkable feat, proving that you don't have to sacrifice reliability for premium features, which is a common trade-off with many other luxury brands. The reason for this is simple. Lexus takes the already bulletproof foundation of Toyota engineering and then builds upon it with an obsessive, almost fanatical attention to detail and quality control. The materials are better, the panel gaps are tighter, and the entire vehicle is assembled with a level of precision that is frankly astonishing. They over-engineer everything. This means that not only are you getting the proven powertrains and electrical systems from the Toyota parts bin, but you're also getting them wrapped in a package that has been scrutinized for any potential flaw. This results in fewer reported issues from owners and an incredibly satisfying ownership experience. This commitment to quality has a fantastic side effect: incredibly strong resale value. A used Lexus is one of the smartest buys you can make in the luxury space because the market knows these cars last forever. Models like the ES sedan, which is based on the Camry, and the RX crossover, which shares its DNA with the Highlander, are famous for running for hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. So, with Lexus, you get the best of both worlds. A truly premium, comfortable, and quiet vehicle that also happens to be one of the most dependable machines on the road. It's a combination that other luxury brands have been trying, and largely failing, to replicate for years. Moving on, we come to another Japanese giant that has built its reputation on engineering excellence and reliability: Honda. For a long time, the automotive world was a two-horse race for the reliability crown, with Toyota versus Honda being the ultimate debate. While Toyota often focuses on conservative, proven tech, Honda has always been a bit more willing to innovate, especially with its engines. This is the company that brought us VTEC after all. They are an engine company first and foremost, and that expertise shines through in the durability and efficiency of their power plants. Honda's core models, the Civic, the Accord, the CR-V, are pillars of the automotive landscape for a reason. They consistently deliver what buyers want: practicality, fuel efficiency, a very strong track record for staying out of the repair shop. One area where Honda has invested heavily is in their continuously variable transmissions, CVTs.